Okay, this is the Rubik's Cube, and this is a document in tribute for RCF. This is JB Canyares, and he will scramble the cube. Slam. Very fast finger tricks. That's a 4x4. We'll give it to Mr. John Canyares, the first student of RCF. And Mr. John Canyares has the most fluid finger tricks. And he will solve the cube in 3, 2, 1, go. Mr. John Canyares uses stop cross, then inverts it to the first layer. His fastest time is 22 seconds. The trademark is that he has the most fluid finger tricks among the 4 of us. Okay. And he averages 25 seconds and 5 years cubing experience. Wow, very nice. Now Danny will scramble the cube.
Presenting the fastest.
Okay. Presenting the fastest speedcuber in Cebu, Mr. JB Canyares.
Jesus lookalike.
Jesus lookalike. Okay.
Fastest time is 11 seconds.
11 seconds. Sick recognition, very fast. Okay, we saw the cube in 3, 2, 1, go. The trademark is his very fast recognition. He almost memorizes the cube. He averages 18 seconds.
I think it's sometimes.
He has 4 years cubing experience. Friedrich method, just like all of us. Complete Friedrich method. Okay, the cube is solved. He scrambles cube. Okay. Then you'll give the cube to Mr. Fritz Briones. Mr. Fritz Briones uses Friedrich method. His fastest time is 28 seconds. He will solve the cube in 3, 2, 1, go. Mr. Fritz Briones averages 40 seconds in solving the cube. He has 1 year cubing experience. Sub 1 minute speed cuber. Fastest time? Yeah, it's 28 seconds.
Correction, JB Canyares' fastest time is 12 seconds, not 11. Timing, the pressure, good. Time we introduce you the new speedcuber, 4 of us, and Chris is solving it for him, Mr. Bingley Harris. Also, the University of Harris. Bro,
Shock. He's ready?
Okay. Let's start. He'll start throwing cube in 3, 2, 1. Go. His time currently is 20 seconds. I can scramble. The average is about 8 seconds, just like this. It's the Friedrich method. Solving the cube with some of his crazy algorithm. The most cube big. I think one of the most and it's about to be
Okay.
And like it's a cube. So that's the
cube. Oh, okay. Well, this. Stop. Okay.